Most people think learning Python for data science means mastering the entire language. That's a waste of time. You don't need to become a software engineer, you need to solve data problems. And the reality is, most data scientists use a small, focused part of Python to do their work. So the real question is not how much Python do you know, it's can you use Python to turn data into decisions. Think about what actually happens in a data project. You collect data, clean it, explore it, analyze it, and sometimes build models. Python fits into all of these steps, but not in a complicated way. You're not building large systems or complex architectures. You're writing scripts to manipulate data, automate tasks, and extract insights. That's it! If you understand this, you stop overcomplicating the learning process and focus only on what matters. Now, here's the practical breakdown. You need basic Python, variables, loops, functions, and how to structure simple code. Then you move to the real tools. Libraries like Pandas for handling data, NumPy for numerical operations, and Matplotlib or Seaborn for visualization. If you go into machine learning, then libraries like Scikit-learn come into play. That's the core stack. Not everything, just what's actually used in real work. Python didn't become popular in data science by accident. It was created by Guido van Rossum with a focus on simplicity and readability. Over time, it became the preferred language because it allows people to work with data quickly without dealing with unnecessary complexity. That's why companies, researchers, and analysts all use it. It reduces friction between idea and execution. But here's where most beginners go wrong. They focus on syntax instead of thinking. They learn how to write code, but not why they're writing it. They can run scripts, but they don't understand the problem they're solving. And that's why they get stuck. Because in data science, Python is just a tool. If your thinking is weak, better code won't fix it. Now with AI tools and automation, writing code is becoming easier. You can generate scripts, automate workflows, and speed up development. But that doesn't remove the need to understand what's happening. If anything, it increases the gap, because people who understand both data and Python can move faster, while others just copy without clarity. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't to turn you into a coder. It's to help you use tools effectively. Because once you understand what Python is actually for, you stop wasting time learning everything and start focusing on what creates real impact. And that's when Python stops being just a programming language and becomes a way to turn ideas into results.